Okay, so now let's do trial questions for vector. Okay, so this one is one of the trial question for last year came out 2024. So based on this question, mereka sudah bagi SV sama dengan 3/4 ST and RS they give 6M. So we do RS first. So RS means R going to S. So here is 6M. Clear? So then the next one they do RT. R going to T. R going to T is 18N. Okay? But now this one, can we use this equation? We cannot use yet. Why? Because selalunya kalau ratio you can use. Kalau equation we cannot use. So if equation you want to use, you must do what? You make the alphabet one side, you make the fraction one side. Clear? So now look at this. 3/4 and ST times. When come here become divide. So kita tulis SP over ST sama dengan 3/4. Clear? So SV dia 3, ST dia 4. So S to V we put 3 and S to T we get 4. Understand? So here 3, here 4. So 4 minus 3, 1. Understand? Clear? So this is how you make the ratio first. Okay? So based on the question here, mereka tanya kita ST dahulu. So kita buat ST lah. So to go ST senang saja. S nak pi T, kita pi S ke R, R ke T. Nampak? So we go SR plus RT. Clear? Okay, so we do SR plus RT. So then over here you see means R to S is positive 6. So S to R should be negative 6M. Okay? So then now let's see for RT. So R going to T, memang sudah bagi R to T, so kita bawa positive 18N. So that's all the first question, finding ST. Okay? So now let's see for the second question. Second question, they ask you to find RV. The second question, they ask you to find RV. Okay, now you can see here, R to go to V. Okay, kita akan buat, maybe we go RS to ST. RS to SV. Nampak? So let's do RS plus SV. Okay, RS plus SV. So now RS, do we have RS? Yes, we have. So RS kita ialah 6M. But SV, do we have SV? We don't have. But we have a ratio here. SV equals to 3/4 ST. So kita buat ini dahulu. So we write here, SV equals to 3/4 ST. Okay? So now look at here. We want SV, right? Ini SV equal to 3/4 ST, right? Do you have ST? This is ST. So we do 3/4 times by negative 6M plus 18M. Clear? So this one based on form 2 calculation for expansion. This one time this one time this one. Okay? So when we times, kita akan dapat negative 9/2M plus 27/2N. Okay? So this is our ST. So now what we do, we take this one, we put here minus 9/2M plus 27/2N. Clear? Okay? So then kita akan buat apa? RV, kita buat macam ni dah. Then we see got anything same. Here got M and here also got M. You can do lah. So kita buat 6 minus 9/2, you should get 3/2M. Then plus 27/2N. So habis RV juga. Clear? So then the first two question already finished. Then the third question, mereka tanya for B part, they give you this like this. They give you RU equals to DRV. Okay, then mereka bagi TU is equivalent to E2M minus 7N. Okay, so once kita jumpa macam ni, now we are going to solve. Okay, look here. They tell RU equals to DRV. Do we have RV? We got RV here. Correct? So we can put it inside the equation and we can find the RU first. Okay? So look at it. Saya buat ni RU sama dengan D. RV kita adalah 3/2M plus 27 over 2n. All okay? Understand? So then what we do, macam biasalah, kita pecah the bracket. So kita akan dapat RV sama dengan 3 over 2m, sorry, 3 over 2 dm. Put your vectors at last, that is better. So then plus 27 over 2 dn. Understand? So from the information kita sudah dapat benda ni. Okay, so now they want us to find d and e. Okay, so kita kena buat simultaneous equation lah. So the first equation, this one, anybody got any problem? All okay. So then tu mereka sudah bagi, so d pun kita pecahkan bracket. So bila kita pecah bracket, this one akan jadi 2en minus 7en. So now we got e and d from RV and TU. RV and TU. So based on this equation, based on this photo here, you kena tengok mana ada RV and mana ada TU. So ini adalah RV, this is RV and this is TU. Clear? So that is RV, this is TU. Okay? Sorry, this one is RU. This is RU. This one is RU. So sini kita ada RU from here to here and we got RT from here to here. Okay? So now, based on this information, we can find certain things, means kita kena tengok dekat mana dia link. RU and TU. So RU and TU, both of them link to RT. Nampak? RU and TU and both of them link to RT. So we can make a new equation where RT is equivalent to RU plus UT. Nampak? So here you got RU and here you got TU. So we do RU and TU, we do for RT. Do we have RT here? Got right? So RT dia berapa? 18n. So we put here 18n. So RU dia bagi kat sini, kita sudah ada RU. So we write here 3 over 2 dm plus 27 over 2 dn. Okay? This one we got RU already. Clear? So now we want to do for TU. Sini ada apa? UT. But we got TU, correct? So terbalik. So here got positive 2e, so here you put negative 2en. Okay? And then here is negative 7e, so here we put positive 7en. Clear? So now you can separate the equation to two. First you do what? Make m one side and make your n one side. So over here got m. No, right? So here you put 0 equals. And over here n kita ada 3/2 d and tolak dengan 2e. No need to write the m. This one is from the m side. Kita ada 0 because here no m. So you put 0 and then here got m for 3 over 2d and negative 2d. Clear? So then we do the next one there. Next one we got another one equation. That equation is involved with n. Faham? Clear? So for us to do for the equation involving in n, we do like this. So kita buat macam ni, 18 equals to, because 18n, right? Equals to, here is 27 over 2d. Then here should be plus 7e. Okay? So now we have to do simultaneous equation as usual. So this part is easy or this part is easy. I prefer this part because here is 0, so easier to do. So we send the negative 2 come here. So 0 plus 2, 2e. Clear? So here we get 3 over 2d. Understand? Clear? So then what I do? I send the 2 from here go there. So e equals to 3 over 2d divided by 2. So we should get e sama dengan 3/4 d. Okay? Clear? So then kita ambil ini, kita masuk dekat sini lah. So this one I continue here. 18 equals to 27 over 2d plus 7 de ya. E dia 3 over 4 right? So masuk dekat sini 3 over 4 d. Okay? So then when we do, this one akan dapat 18 equals to 27 over 2d plus 21 over 4d. Okay? So then your work is just tekan in calculator this one too. So 27 over 2 plus by 21 over 4. Okay, cuba tekan how much? We should get 75 over 4. 75 over 4d. Clear? So now this one is doing times, when come here, divide. So d equals to 18 divide 75 over 4. Okay, so D he should get 24 over 25. So D kita adalah 24 over 25. Faham? So then we do what? Ambil masuk dekat sini lah. So E equals to 3 over 4 times 24 over 25. So the answer should become 18 over 25. Any question? For us to do A and B. Okay? Okay. So that's all for the A and B. So I'll padam certain things so that we can continue the question for C. Okay. So let's padam this part. Okay, let us continue for our C question. Okay, C question they put there RW is equivalent to GM plus 2N. Okay, RW is equivalent to GM plus 2N. So let's see the RW sini. Tengok sini RW. Okay, RW is actually for us to find anywhere going to W is tada. Because T not going to W, S not going to W, we cannot find any route. Okay, tada jalan. Clear? So bila tada jalan, you have to go for collinear concept. You have to go for collinear. Collinear means kita kena tengok RW is in straight line, right? So RW straight line with another who? So tengok sini. RW and RB is a straight line. Nampak? RW and RB is straight line. It means RW is collinear with RB. Clear? So kalau kita kata collinear, the rules of collinear is you can put RW equals to KRB. So if they are collinear, they are parallel. Collinear, they are parallel or the same line or they are parallel. You just put a constant means you can make it as an equation. That is the vectors equation. Faham? So RW sama dengan KRB. Clear? So kita maintain the RW here. And K we put KRB. Do we have RB tadi? Okay, RB. Do we have RB? Yes, we got. The first question itself we do the RB already. So RB kita tadi adalah 3 over 2M plus 27 over 2N. Clear? So then RW they give us already. Betul? So now we break the bracket first. So and then RW right here. So GM plus 2N equals to 3 over 2 KM plus 27 over 2 KN. Now we do for M asing, we do for N asing. Macam tadi juga. So for M, here G equals to 3 over 2 K. Okay? Then we do for the next one there, N. 2 equals to 27 over 2K. Clear? So here we got 2 unknown, here we got only 1 unknown. So we solve this one first. That is better. So now 27 over 2 with K, lekat, it means times. Come here should become divide. So K equals to 2 divide 27 over 2. So K sama dengan 4 over 27. Okay? So then we take this one, kita masuk sini. So G equals to 3 over 2 times 4 over 27. So G dia adalah 2 over 9. Any question? Clear? Okay, so that's all for this question. So then we'll continue for the next question. Okay, so now we are going to try for the second question, vector question as well. Okay, so ini mereka sudah bagi, and then based on this question, they give few things. Okay, let's see. They give first one OA dot ratio of CB is 1 to 2. So bila mereka sudah bagi macam ni, ratio you can use. Okay, so OA we put as 1 and CB we put as 2. So here OA they already give you A. So it means CB should be 2A. So based on this information, this one is 1 and this one is 2. So here's A, here's 2A. Clear? So this is the first information based on the question. Then the second information, they give you OC ratio to OD. They give 3 to 1. So it means OC, they give O to C is 3 and D to C is 1. So it means here 1, here total is 3 and here should be 2. Clear? So but we don't know the value, so we can't do anything here. Okay, then the next thing, they give us OD. They give us OD equals to D. So here O to D. O to D they give us OD as D. So here we can put as D. Okay? Clear? So then the next thing mereka bagi kita ialah AE equals to MAD. Then the next thing they give us OE equals to NA. OE equals to NOB. Okay, now let's see the question. The first question they ask us to show. Show means mereka sudah bagi jawapan dekat kita. So our work is to calculate and show the answer. Okay? So soalan dia bagi ialah show that OE is equivalent to 1 minus MA plus MD. So it means ini jawapan untuk OE. Clear? Ini adalah jawapan untuk OE. So now let's see the OE. OE. So to find OE, I got O go to E. So I can do this jalan kira. I can do O going to A going to E. Can you see? Go to OE, we go OA, AE. So we do down lah. OE is equivalent to OA plus AE. Okay? So then look here, OA kita ada. OA mereka sudah bagi A, kita bubuk A lah. Tambah. AE kita tak ada. Tapi based on the information they give us, ME equals to MAD. MAE equals to MAD. So AE sudah ada sini. So let's see for AD. Kita ada AD tak? Kita tak ada. So you find the AD first. Okay? So you find the AD. So always in vector you do what? You see, if you don't have, you find it. Then you continue. Jangan stuck. So here we stuck at AE, so don't stuck at AE. You go AE, you see the information that AD. Ada AD? Tak ada AD. So kita cari AD. So you do the AD first. So AD. A to D. We can go A to O, O to D. Nampak? So we can go AO plus OD. So now OA is A. So AO should be negative A. Clear? So now we go to OD. Okay, OD tadi dia sudah bagi. OD is how much? D. So plus D. Faham? So sekarang sudah ada AD, right? So now here they give us the information. AE is equivalent to MAD. Okay? So now what I do, I put M here. AD kita negative A plus D. Faham? So now we break the bracket lah. So we break the bracket, you get negative MA plus MD. Faham? Ini adalah AE kita. Clear? So now we take this fella, we masuk dekat sini. So here plus, here minus. So positive, negative, negative. So we get MA plus MD. Clear? Understand? So now look at this one too. Both of them got A. So we can factorize. So we take out the A, we put outside. Here cut become 1. Here cut go to only M. So put in bracket 1 minus M. Then belakang sana plus MD. Look at the question. Is it same? So we have shown. Clear? The first question. Okay, now look at the second question. The second question, they ask us to find the value of M and N. So second question, they ask us to find the value of M and N. So let's find the value of M and N. Okay, to find the value of M and N, let's see here carefully. Here AE equals to MAD. So ini saya sudah cari tadi, AE. Sekarang OE equals to NOB. So I haven't do this one yet. Betul? So let me find OB first. Do I have OB? O to B. I tak ada OB. Betul? Okay, so saya kena cari OB dah dulu. Okay, let us find OB. Okay, let's see here. So based on this equation, kita cari OB dahulu. So OB is equivalent to OA plus AB. Can you see here? O to B equals to O to A plus A to B. Clear? Understand? But do I have AB now? Do I have AB? Saya tak ada AB. So sekarang saya kena cari pula AB. Faham? So let me cari AB here pula. So I do AB now. So AB, A going to B. So A going to B, let me take a long route. So A going to O, O going to C, C going to B. Nampak? So we can go that route also. So AO plus OC plus CB. Faham? Okay. So now let's see for AO. AO sudah bagi. So sini kita pun negative A. Okay? Clear? So OC. Okay, look here. Sini D. Sini full. So should be berapa D? 3D. So here we put 3D. So plus 3D. Understand? Then CB mereka sudah bagi plus with 2A. Clear? Understand? So now we solve this one. Negative A plus 2 become A. Clear? So plus by 3D. So kita sudah ada AB sekarang. Faham? So now what we can do? We can take this fella masuk dekat atas. So kita ada OB sekarang. So OB equals to OA plus AB. So OA kita tadi dekat sini ada. OA sudah ada. OA dia berapa? A. So you put here A plus AB is this one. So AB is A plus 3B. So kita dapat 2A plus 3B. OB kita. Understand? Why did we find the OB? To do in this one. Clear? So always don't lupa what you are doing. So once you calculate that, oh finish OB already, I don't know what to do. So tengok sini, here got OE. So my main purpose to find the NOB. Betul? So now I take the OE. So I write OE equals to NOB. Betul? So OE is equivalent to NOB kita ini 2A plus 3D. So you will get 2NA plus 3ND. So dapat OE, right? So here they want to find M and N, right? So Mn is involving with OE. N is involving with OE. M is involving with AE. So sekarang you must find a place where you can link both. So look here. AE, OE. Both of them link to OA. Nampak? Both of them you can link it to OA. Nampak? Clear? Okay? So we can masukkan dia macam ni pula. So sekarang tengok sini. AE and OE we can link it to OA. Nampak? So let me do OA first. So look OA is equivalent to OE plus EA. OE plus EA. Nampak? Same like just now question also. So OA kita berapa? A. So here we put A. OE, O to E. O to E we find just now. This one, right? So we put here 2NA plus 3ND. Clear? So then we see EA. Ini adalah AE. Itu apa dia? EA. So symbol must tukar. So minus MA become plus MA, plus MD become minus MD. Faham? So now we make A one side, we make D one side. Okay? So let us make A one side. A one side here got 1. 1 equals to 2n plus m. Look, A. Nampak? Faham? So then we see the next one. Here's no n, so becomes 0. Clear? So 0 is equivalent to 3n minus m. Clear? So then we do as usual, simultaneous equation. Ini dari sini hantar sini. So m equals to 1 minus 2n. And this one you can make and put here. So 0 equals to 3n minus 1 minus 2n. So here you open the bracket. So 0 equals to 3n. Negative, positive, negative 1. Negative, negative, positive 2n. Clear? So then here we do 3n plus 2n. We get 5n. So negative 1 hantar sana. Negative 1 come here become positive 1. So n equals to 1 over 5. Clear? So then kita ambil ini, kita masuk dekat sini. So m equals to 1 minus 2 times 1 over 5. So m kita akan dapat 1 minus 2, 1 over 5, we should get 3 over 5. Clear? So this is how we do the A question and the B question. Okay? So now look the next one, they ask you to find, okay, this question sudah habis So now we got the last question. They ask us to find DE ratio to EA. They ask us DE ratio to EA. Okay? So now look here. So now we want to find DE. Mana DE? So D going to E. So D going to E and E going to A. EA saya sudah ada. Betul? EA saya sudah ada. Tapi DE saya ada tak? Tak ada. So kita kena cari DE sekarang. Okay? Let me calculate the DE ya. So let me calculate the DE. So the DE I'll be doing here. So let's say here DE. So DE I can do D going to O, O going to E. Betul? Clear? So let me do DO plus OE. Clear? Any questions? All okay? So now DO kita dia sudah bagi D kan? Tapi OD is D. So DO should be negative D. Always be careful with the positive negative. Okay? So then kita nak pergi OE. Okay, OE cuba tengok. Ada tak OE? Ada kan? So you can put inside. So we put here plus 2. N sudah ada kan tadi? N is how much just now? 1/5. So kita masuk dalam 1/5 A plus 3 1/5 D. Understand? If you maintain the N, you cannot solve it. Okay? So once we solve this one, kita dapat negative D tambah 2/5 A plus 3/5 D. Clear? So then what we can do? We can solve the D with D. Understand? So this one I'll solve. I'll write over here because not enough of space here. So we should get 2/5 A minus 2/5 D. Okay, so sekarang kita sudah ada DE. Kita sudah ada juga AE. So AE pun we must do what? We must masukkan this thing masuk dalam baru kita boleh dapat. Understand? So now let's do EA first here. So EA. So AE is negative M and plus MD. So EA should be positive MA minus MD. Okay? So M tadi berapa? 3/5. So here should be 3/5 A minus 3/5 B. Clear? Understand? So now wait, let me take a see. Okay, so let me tekan and see. We get negative 2/5 D also same. Okay, now let's see So EA sudah dapat. So sekarang kita relate it So to relate it, you relate A with A. Okay, or you relate B with B. Kalau you dapat sama both ratio, then your answer is betul. So now let's see So you relate A with A. So A over here is 2/5. Dot dot. Here we got 3/5. Betul? Understand? So now both of them got 5, we can cut. So based on ratio kita dapat 2 to 3. Okay? So now let's check for the D. If you get the same answer, your calculation is betul. Clear? So let's see. Sini kita dapat negative 2/5 dot dot negative 3/5. Betul? So negative can cut, 5 can cut. Here also you get 2 dot dot 3. So the ratio should be 2 to. Okay? So this is the full set question for one of the trial question. Okay? Okay. Now let's try for the next question. The next question is involved PT OSPQT. So look, at this question mereka sudah bagi certain information. The first information mereka bagi ialah 5OT is equivalent to 2OQ. So ini tak boleh guna. Why we cannot use? This one is an equation. Betul? So we make it to ratio first. So to make it to ratio, kita hantar the OQ here, the number go there. So OT over OQ is equivalent to 2/5. This one come down, this one go there. Okay? So OT is 2, OQ is 5. So OT is 2, OQ is 5. So here 5, here 2. So here should be 3. Understand? Okay, then look at the next one. The next one mereka kata 8PQ. 8PQ is equivalent to 3PR. Okay, ini pun tak boleh guna juga. Betul? So we make the number come here, this number go there. So PQ is equivalent to PR equals to 3 over 8. So PQ 3, P to Q 3 and P to R 8. So here this one full is 8. So here 3, here 5 lah. Faham? And this one should be 8. Okay? So then let's see the next one. Okay? Okay, let's see the next one. Okay, the next one they give us PR is equal to 8x. So mana PR? Ini PR. So ini PR dia kata 8x. So sini 8x, ini 8. So this one should be 3x, this one should be 5x. So first you find out the information first. Okay? Clear? So then we continue some more. Some more they tell OP is 5. So next they tell OP is 5. OP is Y. They tell OP is Y. So now mana OP kita? Sini OP. So sini kita bobo Y. Okay? So then look some more the question. They ask PS equal to KPT. They write PS equals to KPT. Ini tak boleh buat apa? Hold first. Then the next information they tell OS is equivalent to HOR. Okay. So now let's try to solve it. So the first question they ask us to find is PS. The first question they ask us to find is PS. But PS they want the term of K. Okay? So to find the term of K, sini mereka sudah bagi. So PS is equivalent to KPT. Okay? So kita ada PT tak? Let's see here first. We got PT ya. We don't have PT. Betul? Clear? So we find the PT first. Okay, let me do the PT here. So PT, P to T. We can do P to O and O to T. So kita boleh buat P pergi T tambah dengan O pergi T. So now based on the question there, they give us OP is Y. Okay, OP is Y and then they give us PR is 8. So sini mereka bagi OP. Tapi soalan dekat sini pula kita nak, okay, let's say PT equals to PO plus OT. So PO, so OP is Y, so PO should be negative Y. Okay, so then OT kita tak ada, betul? Clear? So now we hold the OT there first. We find the OT now. Okay, so if don't have OT, we have to find OT lah. Tapi look at the information here. Sini mereka sudah bagi saya 2. This one total is 5. Nampak? So why don't I find OQ first? Did they give me OQ? No also. So I find the OQ first. So kita cari OQ. So always you have to seek. Kalau you tak jumpa, you kena cari where you jumpa. So OQ I can do because OQ is Y OP plus PQ. Betul? So let me do OQ equals to OP plus PQ. OP kita Y plus PQ kita adalah saya sudah cari tadi 3x. Understand? So then OT is number 2. This one 3, total is 5. So 2 over 5 OQ. Clear? Understand? So then what we do, we put here 2 over 5 times by OQ. OQ tadi berapa? Ini Y plus 3x. Okay? So as usual kita darab lah. So dia akan jadi 2 per 5 Y plus 6 per 5 X. This is our OT. Understand? So now we continue dekat sini lah. So PT equals to plus 2 over 5 Y plus 6 over 5 X. So we got my PT ready. Understand? So now we take and we masukkan this one dekat sini. So PS is equivalent to K PT. So I get negative Y plus 2 over 5Y plus 6 over 5X. Okay? So this one is still solvable, this one too. Betul? So let us solve. So kita akan dapat PS is equivalent to K, negative 1 plus 2 over 5, we get negative 3 over 5. Okay, so we get negative 3 over 5, Y plus 6 over 5X. Clear? So then they want in the term of K, right? So kita pecah the bracket lah. So kita akan dapat PS sama dengan negative 3 over 5 K Y tambah 6 over 5 K X. Clear? So you find the PS already. So now look the next question. The next question they want still PS but they want in the form of H. So let's see here. PS dalam form of H tak ada, tapi mereka bagi OS dalam bentuk H. Betul tak? So now we have to find PS from the root of OS. So tengok PS kita. So kita tengok PS, this one is first question, then we do second question PS. Now they want PS in the root of OS, baru I can link it to OR. Betul? So let's see here. So PS I want to link to OS, so I can go PO plus OS. Understand? So now we go PS plus, we do PO plus OS. Okay? So now we got OP is Y, so PO should be negative Y. Okay? But OS, did they give us OS? No. But they give us S is plus H OR. Clear? So now OR ada tak? OR, did we find OR just now? We never find OR yet. So why don't we find OR now? Clear? So we find the OR, so OR let me do here. So OR, O going to R, easy. OP PR. So OP plus PR, that is OR. Betul? So OP kita adalah Y. PR kita adalah 8X. So masuk dalam lah. Understand? So now angkat this one, put it here. So negative Y plus H in bracket OR. OR kita adalah Y plus 8X. Okay, so then this one we break the bracket. So negative Y plus HY plus 8X is the PS. Okay, PS in the form of Y and H and X. Okay, so then let's see the third question. As usual, sini sudah ada satu KY, KX, sini ada HY, HX. Confirm mereka nak kita cari H dengan K. Betul? So now you link Y with Y and you link X with X. Clear? So now let us try. Tengok sini, we try for Y with Y. Okay, now the Y dia kita ada here negative 3 over 5K. Betul? Because this one also PS, this one also PS. So kita boleh buat, I can write first lah. So the third question is see, PS is equivalent to PS. Betul? So first we do from Y point of view. Tengok sini. This one is Y and this one is our Y also. Nampak? So we write here negative 3 over 5K equals to negative 1 because here no number means got 1. Plus H. Okay? So now to find H, we hantar this fellow come here. So H equals to negative 3 over 5K plus 1. Clear? So now we got the first equation. Now we do from the X point of view. From X point of view pula kita ada macam ni. So sini kita ada 6 over 5K equals to, oh here you have to put HX Okay, because this one pecah, H akan jadi sana juga. So here we get 8H. Okay, clear? So now H sudah ada ni kan? So take this one, masuk dekat sana. So we should get 6 over 5K equals to 8 bracket negative 3 over 5K plus 1. Okay? So then as usual kita kena pecah bracket. So here we pecah bracket. So here 6 over 5K equals to negative 24 over 5 plus 8. Negative 24 over 5K plus 8. So then we see this one is negative, we hantar this one kami lah. Okay? So dia akan jadi 6 per 5K tambah 24 per 5 sama dengan 8. So here K, 6 over 5 plus 24 over 5, you should get 6K equals to 8. So K equals to 8 over 6. Understand? So when you tekan in calculator, you should get K equals to 4 over 3. Okay? So now what you do? You masukkan dekat sini lah. So H equals to negative 3 over 5 plus K bracket, we put 4 over 3 plus 1. So your work is just tekan in calculator straight. So when you tekan in calculator straight, H should become 1 over 5. Okay? So this is the third question for vector. Clear? Okay, now the next question we are going to do is the vector question as well. Okay, let's see here. So ini soalan trial juga, salah satu soalan trial. So sini dekat soalan mereka sudah bagi, they give us OP dot PN. They give us 4 to 1. So if they give you ratio, you can fill it straight. Understand? So mereka bagi OP kita 4 and PN kita 1. So this one total should be 5. Understand? Okay? So now we can see the next one here. Next mereka bagi dekat kita ratio juga. They give us MS dot ratio with SO. So this one they give us 1 to 2. So MS is 1, SO is 2. So this one total should become 3. So this is our ratio for now. Okay? So then you can continue some more. Mereka bagi kita ON. They give us O to N. O to N they give us 15x. So O to N mereka bagi 15x. Betul? So look here, this one 5, right? So this one also 15, right? So 15 divided 5 is 3. So one layer is 3. So sini should become 3x and sini should become 12x. Why? Because 4 times 3, 12. Understand? When you plus both, you get 15. Okay? So this is how we do the ratio. Then Mn mereka bagi 6y. So Mn tak ada apa ratio, kita maintain 6y yalah. Okay? Clear? Baru baca soalan. So the first question, they want us to find PM. The first question they want us to find PM. So we go P to M. So look at P going to M. Simple. We go P O O M. Nampak? So PM we do P O plus O M. So now O to P is 12x. So P to O should become negative 12x. Okay? Plus OM mereka bagi 3 kali ganda. Did they give us OM yet? No. So we stuck here. So kita cari OM dahulu. Understand? So you find the OM now. So OM is equivalent to ON plus NM. ON plus NM. So ON kita ada 15x tadi, bubul 15x. NM kita ada MN they put 6y. So NM should be negative 6y. Okay, clear? So now what we do? We got OM ready, right? Put it here lah. So in bracket we put, no need to put bracket because plus. So straight we put 15x minus 6y. Okay, then x and x can do. Clear? So negative 12 plus 15 we get 3x minus 6y. So this is our PM. Okay, anybody got any question? Clear? So then let's continue for OS. Let's continue for OS. Okay, now O going to S. O going to S senang saja. Nampak this one 2, right? Nampak this one 2, right? So OS is 2 over 3 of OM. Nampak? 2 over 3 of OM. Nampak? So we got OM right here. So we straight can put the OM inside. So 2 over 3 bracket 15x minus 6y. Okay? So then let us solve it lah. So when we solve this one, kita akan pecah bracket. So bila kita pecah bracket, this one become 10x minus by 4y. So kita sudah dapat OS as well. Okay? Clear? So now we continue. So continue, then the next one they tell x equals to 3i. Then mereka kata pula y equals to negative I plus 2j. Okay, then mereka want us to find OS with modulus. Kalau OS mereka nak vector dengan modulus means they are meaning to us quadrant. They meaning to us Pythagoras theorem. Okay, kalau lah you jumpa macam ni vector and then you nampak vector and nampak modulus, it means it's a Pythagoras. Faham? So we do the x, we do the y, kita find the hypotenuse. So first we find the OS first. Okay, let's see. Do we have OS? Do we have OS in this question? Yes, we got OS. Nampak? So straight put that. So straight put here, OS is equivalent to 10x minus 4y. Okay? So then, as usual, sini ada X, sini ada Y, kita boleh substitute dalam. Betul? So kita substitute dalam lah. Bila substitute dalam 10 bracket X is 3I minus 4, Y is negative I plus 2J. Clear? So then kita solve dulu. 10 times 3, 30I. This one like that. So negative, positive 4I, negative, negative 8J. Clear? Understand? So then we solve this one. 30 plus 4, 34I minus 8J. So sekarang I will be your x-axis and this one will be your y-axis. Understand? So then kita nak cari dia punya hypotenuse. Inilah the modulus punya meaning. Clear? So when you see the modulus, don't get panic. They are asking you to do Pythagoras. So sini kita ada 34, sini kita ada 8. Clear? So now to find hypotenuse, you must plus. Betul? So we do OS modulus ni, the vector unit is called 34 square plus negative 8 square. Nampak? And Pythagoras theorem, you must do square root at last. Clear? So when you tekan terus in your calculator, you should get 34.93. Clear? So this is the third question. So now let's continue for the next one. The next one, macam biasalah, akan ada the ratio and concept. Look here. The last one they give us like this. They gave us PT is equivalent to HPM, and the next one they give TS is equivalent to KNS. Okay? So now they want us to find H and K. Macam tadi kita sudah buat 2-3 soalan, the same method also this one. Ini saya padam dulu dekat sini. Okay. So now let's see PT. Did they give us PT? Sudah ada PT tak? No, kita tak ada PT. Betul? Tapi mereka bagi kita PT equal to HPM. So do we have PM here now? Yes, we got PM. Can you see PM we got here? So we use the PM. So we write here. PT is equivalent to HPM. PM dia berapa? 3x tolak 6y. So we put here 3x tolak 6y. So this one PT is equivalent to 3hx tolak 6hy. So PT sudah dapat. Faham? Clear? So then they give next one TS equal to K and NS. NS ada tak dekat kita? We don't have NS. So we find the NS first. Okay? So we find the NS. So NS. So where's N? N is here. S is here. So to find NS, NOOS. Nampak? So let's do NS equal to NO plus OS. Clear? So ON is 15. So NO should be negative 15x. Clear? OS. OS. Did you find OS? Yes, saya sudah cari OS dekat sini. So OS kita ialah plus 10x minus 4y. Okay? So negative 15 plus 10, we should get negative 5x minus 4y. So sudah dapat NS. Clear? So now masuk dekat sana lah. So we put here TS. No space there. I write here. So TS equals to K NS. NS kita adalah kat sini ya. We put here negative 5x minus 4y. Clear? Clear? So then as usual kita break the bracket. So we break the bracket, we get negative 5kx, negative 4ky. Okay, now look at the question. Tadi kita buat here PT, here so PT we did. But now here PT and here TS, not same. So what you have to do is, you have to check with the question now. Look here. PT sudah ada sana, and then TS sudah ada sini. Nampak? Clear? PT and TS. So how we link it? We create a new one. We create a PS. Nampak? PS is equivalent to PT plus TS. Nampak? So we calculate PS first. Okay, PS over here I calculate first. PS. Okay, PS I do based on this law. Nampak? Because this one I can do still. So PS I do as PO plus OS. Clear? So PO kita should be negative 12x. OS kita sudah ada dekat sini, plus 10x minus 4y. So sini akan jadi negative 2x minus 4y. Okay, PS sudah ada kan? So now we find the PS lah here. So now, looking at PS is equivalent to, for me I want to link PT and TS, PT plus TS. Ini jalan boleh guna, nampak? So I write PS equal to PT plus TS, nampak? Clear? And then PS I sudah bawa sini pun, betul? So I take this one, I put that. So PS kita is a negative 2x. Okay, let me put a box first so that you guys never get confused. Okay, negative 2x minus 4y equals. Nampak this one I put there PS. So now PT kita sini ada 3hx minus 6hy plus. Okay, so positive negative we put negative. Minus 5kx and minus 4ky. So now we link the x one side, we link the y one side. So the x kita, this one 1x and this one 1x and this one 1x. Betul? So you put here negative 2 equals 3h minus 5k. Nampak? And another one, negative 4. This one another one. Negative 4 equals to negative 6h minus 4k. Clear? Understand? Okay, cuba tengok sini. Here got 3, here got 6. So this one I don't want to do substitution method. I want to do elimination method because 3 and 6 we can eliminate easily. So here 3 to become 6 must times 2. Times 2 times 2. Betul? So negative 2 times 2 we get negative 4. Clear? Equal. So 3 times 2 we get 6h. Negative 5 times 2 we get negative 10k. Nampak? So here we got negative 6, here we got 6. So negative 6 and 6, you plus or minus, you become 0, kita plus. So here we plus, plus and plus. Nampak? So negative 4 plus negative 4, we should get negative 8. Clear? Understand? So then the next one, negative 4 plus my minus negative 10, we should get negative 14k. So k equals to negative 8 over negative 14. Clear? Understand? So then the next one, when you tekan, so k equals to 4 over 7. Clear? So now kita masukkan this fella dekat sini. So negative 2 equals to 3h minus 5 times 4 over 7. So then we put in negative 2, 3h minus 20 over 7. Okay? So then this fella from here we hantar sini. So 3h sama dengan negative 2 tambah 20 over 7. Clear? Any question? Okay, any question so far? So we get 2 over 7. 2 over 7, then we want to hantar the 3 come here. So straight we hantar, we don't need to tekan one by one, kita terus hantar the 3 also can. So h equals to negative 2 plus 20 over 7 over 3. So h equals to 2 over 7. Okay? Any questions so far? All okay, clear? So you want to tekan one by one also can, or to tekan straight also can. Tekan straight is better. Okay? So far we finished 4 questions for today. Okay, so that's how we do vector lah.